Hi everyone, meet bAIsed. bAIsed is an end-to-end browser-based AI fairness workbench. We took complex, fair-learn-inspired mathematical metrics and wrapped them in a no-code sandbox. I'll just sign in into a previously existing Google account that I already added. Alright, so after the quick sign in, we can just see that it takes us to the workbench where the real magic happens. I can just put a test data here quickly and enable advanced fairness. And after it's done analyzing, what it basically does is it's going to give us a complete summary about any bias that it detects in that particular data set that we put. This was a test data set which had a majority of male components over female components. So it tells us that high bias detected because female has a lower selection rate than male. Now we can go down, check key stats, proxy biases, data set risk, everything like that. Here is our AI analyzer as well. I can just send it a hi here, and it is just gonna tell me whatever information that I need pertaining to this one data set. After I can also create my AI analysis report, and it's gonna give me a complete detailed report of whatever I've uploaded. While this is analyzing, I would like to show you the about page. This basically tells us in short what our whole website or project is about. Go back to the workbench page. I can see that the AI analysis report is complete, and in that report, I can see everything that I require in complete detail. After this, we also have a deep dive section. In our deep dive section, this can be used and analyzed by anybody who has good knowledge in this particular field. So they can see all the raw data that we have put, all the bias hotspots, rankings, repair suggestions, and suggestions and things like that, And there are assessments, custom metric engine, and all like that. What we should be doing in order to mitigate this and counterfactual simulations. If I go down, there's also a what if simulator. If I change my group diversity weight, it is just going to tell us if I simulate this particular thing, if I do one particular thing, how is it going to affect my current data set. So that is also a pretty neat thing that we have put. And this is all that comes with our dataset analysis. Now I'm just going to quickly add a new chart here. And after I add a new chart, I can just go to the model audit in order to add a model. Now, one thing that you would worry is where is all this data going? If I go back to our dataset that I had put earlier, everything is still going to be there, including the chart that I had done and the summary that was given by the AI. It's all going to get stored. No issue. You don't need to worry about losing data here. Now, I will be going to our model audit, and in the model audit, I am going to be adding loan sanction train here, and I'm going to choose a file model file dt.pkl, and I'm just going to let it just scan the dataset, and after it's done scanning, I can see all the columns that it gives me and things like that. Now it's going to analyze it as I'd given it the command earlier. It is going to take a few more seconds than usual because I have put a bigger model than before, and this data that I've put is like around 52,000 rows or something like that. And it will again give us all the explanation that we need: key stat, data set, risk, everything. Okay, so after showing you the model audit that I had done earlier, I'm just gonna be showing you our new privacy chart feature. So in the privacy chart feature, what basically happens is in a normal mode, like our files which are we upload goes to Firebase, but this is not going to be doing that. It just deletes everything that we're going to upload. It's completely secure, and it's not going to be leaking our data. If it is something that is confidential, you want to keep it private. I'm going to upload and analyze this, and after it's done uploading and analyzing the test data, you see that you will get the similar results again. But when you go down here, you can see that the AI analyzer have been disabled, and instead of getting an AI generated report, we have put our own deterministic report. In that, we'll get all the things that we require. Of course, it's not going to be as detailed as the AI one, but again, it does have enough data in order to get you up to par with whatever knowledge that the database has in it, like what the data set has in it. So here we again also have our deep dive section, which you can again just see. Anyone with the knowledge on this field can just go through it. So this was our project. Hope you like it. Thank you.